गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। आज मैं जो डिक्टेशन भेज रहा हूँ आपको हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का एडिटोरियल पैसेज जो कि 11 जुलाई का है, उसकी मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग करके भेज रहा हूँ। आउटलाइन मैंने बना दी है। यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट दोस्तों। द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, a testing time for the economy. The external environment is challenging, but the center, Reserve Bank of India's coordination on policies augurs well. Weeks before the Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy Committee was to meet in June, the center announced an excise duty cut on petrol and diesel. Reserve Bank of India commissioned another round of its inflation expectations survey after the cuts, and it showed a downward revision of inflation expectations. This helped Reserve Bank of India regain some of its credibility on the inflation management front. The excise duty cuts before the MPC meeting were evidence of the fiscal policy arms offering a helping hand to the monetary policy arm in inflation management. If the evidence of the last couple of weeks is any indication, we are also witnessing coordination between the fiscal and monetary policy arms in managing the growing worry on the balance of payments front. A few days after the center announced import duties on gold to discourage foreign exchange diversion, Reserve Bank of India followed with a range of measures to facilitate mobilization of foreign exchange deposits from both non-resident Indians as well as institutional investors. These measures include steps such as for allowing participation in short-term government debt and waiving of interest rate ceiling on NRI deposits, among others. Why the government and Reserve Bank of India are doing this is not very difficult to understand. While the rupee is still a better performer compared to other emerging market currencies, this could be more a result of aggressive Reserve Bank of India intervention than microeconomic fundamentals per se. The fact that it is under pressure cannot be denied. India's import bill has been increasing continuously on the twin tailwinds of rising commodity prices and growing demand as the economy recovers. Our exports, as the June trade numbers show, have already started moderating and could fall further as advanced countries enter a recessionary environment. Stop. India's usual insurance of foreign portfolio investment plugging the BOP front has weakened because rising interest rates in the US and inflationary squeeze on corporate profits in the domestic economy have made the capital markets relatively unattractive stock. To put it simply, these are testing times for microeconomic policy and policymakers. Stop. Whether or not Reserve Bank of India's and government's latest moves will prevent the rupee from falling further is not the real question. Stop. What is important is that there continues to be healthy communication and coordination between the monetary and fiscal arms of economic policy making. Stop. The signs as of how now are encouraging. Full stop. तो फुल स्टॉप दोस्तों फिनिश